A student at Jones College is accused of having a gun on campus. We're told 19-year-old Tyler Berry of Hammond, Louisiana, was arrested by campus police on Thursday. He was taken to the Jones County Sheriff's Office and charged with possession of a stolen firearm and possession of a firearm on a Jones County campus. In a statement, campus president Dr. Jesse Smith says in part, "We are grateful to our campus police for their quick action in this matter. Jones College has a strict policy against weapons on campus." Bond was set at $2,500. As soon as we get more information, we will pass it along.